you. Close my eyes, take a bite, grab a ride, laugh out loud, there it is up on the roof. I've been there, I survived, so just take my advice. Hang in there, baby, things are crazy, but I know your future's bright. Hang in there, baby, there's no maybe, everything turns out alright. Sure, life is up and down, but trust me, it comes back around. You're gonna love who you turn out to be. Hang in there, baby.
Hello, Shorians. Welcome back and welcome to today's Shorian Report. I'm Ashley.
And I'm Lexi. Today is Monday, February 10th, 2020. Today is National Flannel Day.
Registration is now open for the spring season of the LSHS Clay Target Trap Shooting Team. If you are interested in joining the Clay Target Shooting Team and competing against 35,000 other students in the United States in this Olympic shooting sport, please contact Mr. Hubbard in room 120 or by school email as soon as you can so we can get you started in the registration process. There will also be an in-person meeting held near the end of February. You must attend at a date to be determined.
Tribe begins March 9th. If you're interested in joining, please see Coach Phillips in room 138 or Coach Manila in room 136 to sign up to get the information. You must have a green card to enter practice on March 9th.
Now let's get a check on the weather as well as the birthdays and lunch today.
Good morning, Lakeshore. It's your boy Dave here with the weather. Today's gonna be a high 36 and a low of 30. It's really cold out here, guys.
Ba 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 na na. Ba 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 na na. Oh. Ba 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 na na. Ba 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 na na na. Ba 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 na na. Tokari no potato rika ni malo manika no tika. Ba 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 na na.
Hungry.
Yes, I am.
Are you hungry? Yes, I am.
Here's a sports report for you, Lakeshore. Today the bowling teams are at Imperial Lanes at 3:45. The girls basketball teams are at home tonight taking on Marysville High School with freshmen at 4:30, JV at 6, and varsity at 7 Thursday. Tuesday, the boys basketball teams are at L'Anse Cruz High School with freshmen at 4, JV at 5:30, and varsity at 7. The boys swim teams are at home taking on Avondale High School at 6, and the ice hockey team is at home at Civic Arena at 8:30 against Marysville. Over the next few weeks, we will be sharing some of the public service announcements that Media 1 and Media 2 have created for competitions. Today, we bring you Gabrielle Bell's video, Bad Decisions Follow You Everywhere, and Joe Calamia, Donald Mitchell, and Brooke Nison's video. It's called It's More Than Just a Drink. Good luck to all of our entries. Have a good day, Shorians.
If you drink, there is no future. Once you start, each drink can lead you down a dangerous road of addiction, abuse, and even death. A little control now might save you later. It's more than just a drink.
What do I love? I love Taco Bell. I love Taco Bell. Take a heart, pass it on. Woo!
I wish somebody would have told me, babe, someday the these will be the good old days. All the love you won't forget, and all these reckless nights you won't regret. Someday soon your whole life's gonna change. You'll miss the magic of these good old days.
I was thinking about the band, I was thinking about the fans. We were underground, loading merch in that 12-passenger van, in a small club in Minnesota, and the snow outside of First Ave. I just wanted my name and a star. Now look at where we at, still growing up, still growing up. I would lay in my bed and dream about what I'd become. Couldn't wait to get older, couldn't wait to be some. Now that I'm here, wishing I was still young. Those good old days.
I wish somebody would've told me, babe, that someday these would be the good old days. All the love you won't forget, and all these reckless nights you won't regret. 'Cause someday soon your whole life's gonna change. You'll miss the magic of the good old days.
Wish I didn't think I had the answers. Wish I didn't drink all of that glass first. Wish I made it to homecoming, got up the courage to ask her. Wish I would've gotten out of my shell. Wish I put the bottle back on that shelf. Wish I wouldn't have worried about what other people thought and felt comfortable with myself. Rooftop open, and the stars above. Moment frozen, sneaking out and falling in love. Me, you, and that futon, we just begun. On the grass dreaming, figuring out who I was. Those good old days.
I wish somebody would've told me, babe, that someday these would be the good old days. All the love you won't forget, and all these reckless nights you won't regret. 'Cause someday soon your whole life's gonna change. You'll miss the magic of the good old days.
Never thought we'd get old. Maybe we're still young. Maybe you always look back and think it was better than it was. Maybe these are the moments. Maybe I've been missing what it's about. Been scared of the future, thinking about the past while missing out on now. We've come so far, I guess I'm proud. And I ain't worried about the wrinkles around my smile. I got some scars, I've been around. I felt some pain, I've seen some things, but I'm here now. Those good old days.
You don't know what you got till it goes, till it's gone. You don't know what you got till it goes, till it's gone. I wish somebody would've told me, babe.
There are 2 new scholarships now available in the guidance office and online for Lakeshore High School seniors only. The Austin Lipscomb Memorial Foundation Scholarship, which is due April 27th, and the Shorian Awareness Memorial Scholarship, which is also due Friday, April 24th.
That's all we have for today.
Have a great day, Lakeshore.